Hey everybody, welcome back to Snack Time. Today we're going to be making an old-fashioned sandwich. Specifically, we're making ham and olive spread. The recipe will be down in the description box, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you're going to take your stuffed olives. This is stuffed olives with blue cheese, and then some ham, mayonnaise, parsley, and then some paprika, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then you just mix it up. I'm going to put this on butter toasted bread, but you guys can put it on crackers or whatever you want. Go ahead and put a nice healthy dose on here. And there you have it. Quick, simple, easy, and let's get Molly in here and we can taste test this. Hey Molly, do you want to come join me?
What'd you make? What did you make?
Huh?
What'd you make?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a old-fashioned sandwich.
Oh, I see some ham and I see some olives.
Yeah, stuffed olives with blue cheese.
Oh, I love blue cheese. All right,
So you want to try this?
Yeah, can you cut that into fourths? Okay, yeah, I'll try this. So let's see.
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Very.
It's very savory.
That stuffed olive really gives it something extra.
Mm-hmm. Is this a recipe?
Yeah, it's ham and olive spread.
And what are these olives? These olives are stuffed with blue cheese?
Yeah.
So you could use any kind of stuffed olive.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they stuff olives with all sorts of things, so you could use any kind of stuffed olive you wanted. So this is really, really delicious. It's very savory. There's a lot of, brininess from the olives, and so you don't need to add any salt to this at all. Plenty of salt. But this is great, and I think it looks like it makes about enough for maybe
two sandwiches.
Two sandwiches,
probably.
yeah.
2 small ones.
2 or 3 small sandwiches. And yeah, I think this is great. This is a good snack, Dan.
Well, thanks. It's been a while since we've done a snack video, so I thought today's the day. Resurrect the beast.
Can't chew fast enough. So we're using sourdough bread, but you could use any kind of bread you wanted. And also you could put it on, it says crackers too, so any kind of crackers you want. Now, it says this needs to be minced. Make sure you mince your olives and ham. Ours are cut a little bit. Ours are probably more of a dice. But definitely mince it. Put it through a grinder if you have to.
Yeah, I know. I didn't do it perfectly, but I do my best.
Well, you did a good job. And so let me see where this is from. I don't remember what year. Oh.
It's from the Watkins Cookbook.
This is from the Watkins Salad Book. This is from 1946. So this is a nice little snack, Dan.
Love the 40s.
Yeah, they had good stuff back then.
Yeah, everything came in cans.
No, it was like the 50s. The 40s was...
Close enough.
Yeah, a lot of stuff was canned back then. And it has a ton of sandwiches in here. This is a good book if you like salads and sandwiches and beverages and things like that. This book has a ton of recipes. But this is a great little sandwich, Dan.
Yeah, thanks.
Good job. Nice little afternoon snack.
Yeah, it's good lunch.
Yeah, great lunch.
Or like a game day sandwich. That'd be perfect.
Yeah, it would be.
Have a bunch of people over you don't like and give them some food.
Wow. Okay. Well, there you go. So if you like this content, you want to see more vintage snack recipes, then please subscribe and hit the like button. I upload new content every weekend, and Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes. And hope to see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.